JED Alliance Part 2. I'm going to turn her down just a wee bit. Well, first time was a little volatile. So she's been running about 30 minutes. And that's about probably 30 yards on the ground, 35. So I think that's a wrap. I mean, yeah, so that's probably 60, 70 yards on the ground. That's a wrap.
In the morning, and what does he do? Where does he find usually the machine? He finds it in what?
It's going to be in this order here.
In this order, automatic. Over here is going to be in the middle. You got remote, panel, and in the middle. And over here is always, yeah.
Right. That's if you put it in.
It's
manual,
a momentary.
Right. You send that piston forward, down, sends that piston forward.
Yeah, I got you.
So it doesn't matter where it's going to stay in the neutral position.
10-4.
Okay. So here you got your forward reversing valve. When you put it in panel, those proximity switches tell the computer which way to go, and it tells us forward reversing valve which way to go.
Gotcha. Now, is there a specific way this is supposed to go, this box?
Correct.
So the blue one goes this way, the red one goes that way.
Correct.
If he puts it backwards, he's gonna have the same problem. He already have ones. Gotcha.
It's gonna fool the computer, and it doesn't know. It's gonna be sensing on the wrong side because it's looking when that piston comes down and it comes back. The computer's looking for the signal on this side.
Gotcha.
If it doesn't see it, doesn't know what to do.
I understand. All right.
I'm sure he's heard that a couple of good
times. Yep.
So this system isn't very automated. So to generate its own loop oil, they put a check valve in here.
Right here.
Correct. And that check valve's always going to stay closed. In the morning, when you pressure it out, you're gonna fire it off, and you're gonna hear because it's building pressure and pushing the other piston forward. It might push all the way up, but it's still pushing this one down. To generate the loop oil, you can open this up, and it relieves the system and starts it faster.
Okay.
You turn the machine off, close it back down, turn the machine on, and she'll pump fine. If you're pumping heavy mix, a 6 or a 7-inch slump, you probably won't have to generate much loop oil. It's only when you're pumping water or grout you're going to generate loop oil.
Okay, so recap that real quick in the shortest way possible. In the morning when he gets in to work with this thing, he needs to do it on manual. He's going to put it in manual, and then he's going to, what's that going to do?
That's going to give you option for this.
So that's how he's gonna he's gonna move first one in all the way. Once he has it all the way
This
in
is
one
with
side.
the valve cracked open.
And then he's gonna go to the other side.
Yep.
And do the same thing until it ends.
Until it ends.
And that gives him a full charge on the loop oil right here on this hose.
Correct. You close the Schrader valve back off.
And you close it. Why do you open it or close it? Do you have to do that every morning, open and close?
You won't have to do this every morning. Only on a loose mix. You'll notice it'll start short stroking. It'll start shifting real fast. Boom, 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 boom. That means it's going too far, and you've got.
Right. You don't have enough loop oil in there, and I got you. All right.
So if he's pumping a lot of water, a lot of slurry mix, you probably have to use that more.
Right.
More than he's used to.
Of course. So not every morning he needs to do this manual thing. Sometimes he might not even have to. Okay, I got you.
If he's doing lintels or a 7-inch slump, chances are he probably have to do it once a month.
Okay. All right. Then four. All right. Then how does he start pumping?
Okay. So we'll turn it on. Put it back in the auto. And as you can see, when I turn it on, the light will come on. See the light?
Yeah. That's when you put it in panel.
Panel. Yeah. If I take it out of manual, you won't see the light. The light will go away.
Yeah, I see it. Okay, so right now she's pumping.
Right now. So. I got it on. Give it 5 seconds to clear, and you'll see it done.
So in order to use the remote control, you need to have this in auto and this in remote.
Correct. And to use it in panel, always stays in auto.
Always in auto.
Auto is always working.
She's pumping right now?
She's pumping right now. Let it clear. See it jump?
Yeah. Got you. Okay, so from the panel, I'm gonna go into the panel. And then,
always leave it auto.
And it's doing the same thing, okay. And here's how you accelerate or deaccelerate the strokes per minute. Got you. You stop it.
You just gotta wait 5 seconds.
When you transfer from here to here, you wait 5 seconds. Got you.
5 seconds. Show you when you generate the loop oil what it sounds like.
Yeah, I hear it.
Go away now.
Got it. So that generates loop oil by itself without having to use this. Okay. Very simple. Thank you, Harold. Any recommendations about that shop that he took it to?
Yeah. Well, knowing a little something about something gets you in more trouble than not knowing nothing at all. A guy that knows nothing at all, takes precautions and he calls first and makes sure that that's that problem and orders apart. If they're not familiar with something, we pump concrete all day long. We know they order a bunch of parts. Of course, I wasn't at. So, and just like electrician, you know a little something about electricity is, you know, oh, I stick a screwdriver in that wall socket, be all right. And then your hair's sticking straight up, and your bush is, you know, it looks like alfalfa. You know what I mean? You don't want. So, you know, I mean, I don't know what to say about that. I mean, you're gonna have to find somebody reputable. Or just, you know, it might be more cost effective just to send it back to us every time. Let us go over, you know, once a year and then send it back to you. So, you know, yeah.
We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. To continue seeing more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. Also, you can just go right here on this link to our website, liveequipment.com, for a complete list of equipment available for sale. Or just keep navigating to our channel. Have a great day.